Makes sense that so many people were there too, because you can definitely tell that even on those rainy days that the crowds, it just did not stop them from coming in.
Yeah, they turned out.
Absolutely. It was a lot of fun. And Kaylee, I know today we've luckily seen, even though we've seen that gloomy weather, it's at least we've held off on some rain.
Yeah, we have held off on the rain, but that is going to be changing as we move into Tuesday. Tonight, however, it's just an increase in cloud cover that you can expect and kind of hazy, hot, and humid conditions. A look over our One Seneca camera shows you just that, hazy skies. Some of that from wildfires out west that have been pushing that smoke into our region. The others, a little bit of cloud cover. And south of Buffalo has seen that widespread kind of thick cloud cover around all day long. Areas further north had a couple breaks of sunshine, but at this point, at least from now, throughout the rest of the evening, it's going to be an increase in cloud cover that we can talk about. And so that's what you're seeing here on the wider view of the satellite and radar. But the main reason I'm showing you this shot is to show you the rain that is headed our way. This is the first of a series of fronts that's going to be impacting western New York. This one, a warm front, so it's not going to change temperatures or humidity levels. It's just going to be bringing some widespread rain. Now, the timing on when that arrives, it's not tonight. Tonight, it's just the cloud cover. It's really early tomorrow morning, and this will impact the morning commute. So it's important to, if you're setting your alarms now or within the next several hours, to plan a little bit of extra time, because this isn't just some plain old garden variety rain. This is some pretty hefty rain showers we're talking about that could drop a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Now, if you live in Chautauqua County or right along that Lake Erie shoreline, you will be the first to see this rain at about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. It will continue to push further north and east throughout the later portions of the morning. We'll have a break within some of that rain throughout the late morning, early afternoon, but then check this out. Just in time for the evening commute at about 5 o'clock, we're talking about, again, some pretty heavy rain showers, some strong thunderstorms developing, some strong winds, the potential for small hail. Really, we've got the chance for it all late tomorrow. And that will continue to push off to the east as well. So we will have a bit of a clearing by about 10 or 11 o'clock, but then scattered showers take over the widespread rain's place, and those will stick around for the majority of the day on Wednesday. Wednesday, not a washout, but definitely not a dry day either, as we will have a little bit of scattered shower activity continue. But it's not Wednesday that's the focus. It's tomorrow, because the Storm Prediction Center has a lot of western New York under a marginal risk for those thunderstorms, but areas even further west of that, Chautauqua County, down towards Erie, PA, even portions of McKean County are under a slight risk, and that is the bullseye region for some of the strongest storm activity. Now, how much rain can we anticipate? Well, it really varies depending on where you are. Everybody will at least pick up a ½ inch of rain, but numbers become pretty impressive as we head towards the end of Tuesday. Some areas could get over 2 inches of rain when all of these storms are said and done. That's not going to be widespread, but many areas will pick up decent rainfall amounts. For right now, it's pretty quiet, just hot and humid with temperatures right around 80 degrees. We've got light winds at this point between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. They'll start to pick up late tonight, closer to the early morning hours of Tuesday, and they'll stay pretty breezy throughout the entirety of the day. But it's not the winds that take the headlines. It's really those strong storms that will develop late tomorrow afternoon. Now, notice behind the storms, we will cool down pretty significantly for Wednesday, topping out only in the low 70s. But slowly and surely, we are going to be climbing back towards the 80s by the time we end out the work week and head towards next weekend.
Thank you.